So we're going to start with a half of a lime, and we're going to make sure to take the skin off. Then we're going to go ahead and add some water. I usually just add about half of a bottle because I can't really drink that much anyway at this point. I'm using Fiji because it's high in pH, and I'm going to go ahead and use my magic bullet and blend away. Make sure you blend it really well. Then we're going to go ahead and strain it. Put it through a strainer to get rid of all the little tiny, any seeds or anything like that, or the pulp. And I'm going to go ahead and strain this. And once that is done straining, I'm going to go ahead and put it back in the bullet cup. And I'm going to add a couple of stevia packets. I use 2 or 3, depending on how sweet you want it. And I'm also going to add some ice, as much ice as you would like. I only add a couple cubes because I'm going to be taking some out anyway at the end. I'm going to go ahead and blend the crap out of this. If you need it more sweet, you can add more sugar, but for now, that's perfectly fine for me. And that's it. You're just going to enjoy that. So good, so refreshing, easy if you can't just down some water after VSG.